of revisiting a legend, a graphic card legend. This graphic card was released in late 2021. And now, since the year is coming to an end, I thought of revisiting this card, which is outperforming some of the other latest graphic cards in the market. The AMD Radeon RX 6600 graphic card. This card is still delivering and is doing so at such an affordable price. The RX 6600 starts at 17,790 plus taxes, and it becomes an incredible addition to any PC it becomes a part of. It comes with a 8GB GDDR6 RAM. It has a GPU game clock at 2044 MHz, a GPU boost clock at 2491 MHz, and a base clock at 1626 MHz. It has one HDMI 2.1 and 3 DisplayPort 1.4, which are all capable of 120Hz 4K displays or 8K 60Hz display. Further testing has shown that this card has performed exceptionally well in its given environment, giving high-end games a run for their money. Games like Valorant, Tom Clancy's Rainbow Six, God of War, Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2, and many more ran smoothly and without lag, giving an average of over 100 FPS in games.
You can find this PC on VishalPeripherals.in, where you can also customize your own PC.
The card is still performing and delivering now in 2023 the best in its segment. So this was all about the AMD Radeon RX 6600, a card which is still going strong.